Tayo nung tanong na yan, una, sagutin ko muna yung liquidity split, alright? Isa ito sa mga concept na tinuturo namin sa aming senior level na class, which is yung smart money concepts po, no, or SMC. So, una, ang tanong ko muna, ma'am, are you a scalper or a swing trader or a day trader? You're more of a day trader. Therefore, you would appreciate looking more in a higher time frame chart. Tapos, kasi po, bakit? Pag sinabi namin smart money, sino ba sila? Institutions, mga fund managers, no, mga bank managers, hedge funds, etc. Question, are they scalping? Hindi, di ba? So, pumuposisyon yan. So, the formation of the structure is in the higher time frame. Ngayon, meron tayong apat na phase ng cycle as developed by Richard Wyckoff, yung Wyckoff cycle. May accumulation, may markup, may distribution, and markdown. Among all those four, only the accumulation yung sideway. Mapapansin niyo yan, ang common mentality ng isang trader. Pag nag-bottom, tataas yan. Pag nandun sa resistance, bababa yan. That's range trading. And it's very obvious where will you put your stop loss kapag nandun ka sa bottom bumili. Siyempre, below the support. Pag nag-sell ka sa resistance, nasa lang sell mo. Ano sa taas. But institution need liquidity. So ang gagawin yan, alam nila kung nasaan ang SL ng mga traders. So, if you are not patient waiting for that, makakasama kayo doon sa pagiging mga spring and upthrust na tinatawag. Ito yung mga fake breakout. So, you have to wait for that. If you are assuming, alam mo, naaral mo na yung Wyckoff, no? Nakita mo na yung mga parts sa accumulation mo. Selling ano yan preliminary support, selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test. Yung phase na yan, huwag ka munang mag-entry. Wala pa yung spring. You have to wait for the spring. When the spring happens, normally, what is the next na mangyayari? Yung mga bounce niya, pataas na ng pataas, yung mga low niyan. Yun na yung mga LPS, mga last point of support. Hanggang makakakita kayo ng signs of stress. And that's when you are safe to enter. And where will you put the stop loss? Behind the spring. Pag, di ba? Pag sa taas naman, gano'n din, magka-climax, buying climax, magkakaroon ng rally, that's not rally, that's automatic reaction, o secondary test. Hanggang wala yung upthrust, o yung mga U-tag, mga upthrust after distribution, huwag ka muna mag-sell. Di ba? You have to wait for that to be formed. Okay? And then, pagka lower na yung mga high, ibig sabihin nun, natapos na yung liquidity. Naglagay na yun ng signs of weakness. Yan. So about naman sa mga, kanina narinig ko po sa mga sinabi ninyo, minsan gusto kong bumawi. So yung topic ko kanina, pasok na pasok. Yung gusto ninyo minsan i-change yung mga naging loss by doubling the position or increasing the position. Pero lagi tayong tandaan nyo, unlike the stock market, pwede ka maipit. Pwede ka ng Jollibee, 300, naging 200, dasalan mo lang, okay. No? Pero dito may margin ho tayo, may leverage. So every time ho kayo naiipit, lumalaki na lumalaki yung float loss nyo, pwede pong dumating sa point na automatic stop out yung position mo. I-close yan, yung float loss realize na tapyas agad yan sa balanse mo. So you have to be wise in placing your bet. Kasi dito, yes, you cannot win if you will not place a bet, diba? Or you will not take the risk. But you cannot place your bets anymore if you lost all your chips. I will let my colleagues also answer. Thank you.